Hello friends, in this video we'll see how we can create a histogram in Excel using UiPath bot. So let's say a BPO company wants to calculate or analyze the number of calls answered in a given time interval, and they require to share it with the management for them to view it very easily and make a quick decision. So the prerequisite for this automation is that the add-in name toolpath requires to be enabled in your Excel file. If this add-in is not enabled, what you can do is you can open any of your Excel file, or say you can open a new Excel file, and then you can just click on file and go to options and add-ins. In case if this add-in is not enabled for you, you'll see Analysis Toolpack within the list of inactive application add-ins. So you just have to select that add-in and click on Go beside Manage Excel Add-ins. Once you click on Go, you'll see this pop-up window, and you just have to select Analysis Toolpack from the list and say OK. And then you can relaunch the Excel file and go to Data, this tab, and then you'll see Data Analysis option out here. Now, in this video, what the bot is going to do is that it will read the call history report, and then we have created a standard template with predefined time interval. Okay, let me just show it to you. So for this video, I have created a standard data set with call history, like we have call ID, date, the name of the caller, call duration for each call, and the status of the call. All right, this is one of the file, and the other file that we have is we have created a standard template and defined the time interval for which we want to create the histogram. For example, say within this bin column, we have predefined various time interval, that is 0 to 3 minutes. Let's say we want to see the number of calls made between 0 to 3 minutes, likewise within the range of 4 to 7 minutes, 8 to 11 minutes, and so on. And this column, maximum of each bin, this includes the value, the maximum value. For example, so for this time interval range 0 to 3, 3 is the maximum value. So likewise for other range, we can put the maximum value. So these are the two files that we have for this video. So as you can see in this master file, currently we just have one worksheet that is called history. Now what the bot is going to do is the bot will read this file and calculate the number of calls within this worksheet, and then it will retrieve the other standard template wherein we have predefined that time interval, and using both the data it will create a histogram and then place it in a new worksheet within this master file. So let me just close all the Excel files, and now I will initiate this bot. I click on run. Alright, it is going to the data tab and then opening that data analysis pop-up window. Alright, for the input range and bin range and the output range, we have mentioned the worksheet name as well, that it is easier for the bot to identify. Alright, so we can see here, let's minimize this bot window. As we can see in this Excel file, uh, the bot has successfully created the histogram for these time intervals for the calls in this list. Alright, so okay, sometimes there's a glitch in UiPath that when we use Excel application scope and try to perform activities, this data analysis option might be missing, like the bot to load this add-in. So in those cases, how what you can do is you can first take a start process activity and then open the Excel file, the same Excel file. Like let's say for this video, we have considered call history data. So you can open the same Excel file and put a delay of 3 seconds and then use Excel application scope to perform all the bot activities. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.